see it too. And I don't see you anymore, but the words you left me are always in my ears, always in my tears. You're as gentle as my body just won't forget.
Happy birthday, love.
Happy birthday, ate. Love you. Love you, babe. Thank you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. I don't know what brand it is.
Your first surfboard, I will buy it for you.
Oh,
Your surfboard, I will buy your first surfboard.
on your 25th birthday. Sarap naman pakinggan. Just name it and it's yours.
Pag they use 100,000 na hindi.
Huwag lang na-use. Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Almost on the lips. Almost on the lips.
What if I told you the sun was coming closer? What a heat stroke, such a supernova. Would you hold me close, right here on my shoulder? It never feels like summer's really over. Cause when it starts to move, no, I can't explain it. And then the walls begin to melt as I burst into flames, and I'll be cold the way I felt. No, I'll never be the same. No, it wouldn't be the same. Oh, yeah.
Just like a birthday birthday. What am I supposed to do? Now? Yeah. Oh. And then be like, and then smile.
If I could wait
Yung pumipigil sa tubig para ma-hold ka kahit nasa unahan ka. Yan po yung ginagawa ng mga nasa unahan.
Oo nga, may gano'n.
Oo, yan po yung nakaganon. Yan yung nag-hold mo sa tubig. Sa lang, mas mabagal yung ano yung takbo. Oo, yan po yung personal ko na board. Yung oblong na yan.
Bye-bye.
So,
Yeah.
okay, kailangan mo muna ng design. Pero
Yeah.
mag-white ka na lang, Tish.
I want a splash of orange somewhere.
Gumawa ka ng design
Yeah.
video na unique sa'yo.
Oh my god, it looks like, you know, Milky and Mocha. Oh my god! I'm the milk and you're cookie. Hi vlog. Hello. Well, how am I gonna put this on the vlog if your face keeps on looking like constipated? Stink! Happy birthday, Stink! Cheering the wrong guy. This is the skirt I thrifted like 2 years ago. Staying strong. I was gonna sell this, but fashion changes. Oh, she's such a trendsetter, guys. Skin tone. It's literally. Look at her skin. Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. So today we're at the beach. Woo!
the bus, watching Marilyn pass by.
Mommy, movie. Look like you're drowning though. Oh, fuck.